Hello, Namaskar. Here is one problem. Find the electric field intensity at point A, given that point charge at point B is minus Q, at point C is plus Q, and separation between minus Q and plus Q is L. Distance OA is 2L. So, here point A is the perpendicular bisector of this dipole minus Q and plus Q. Though it is not mentioned, take it. Point A is equatorial point at the equator of dipole axis. So, in this question you will do take distance between minus q and plus q is 2a. So, write down given 2a is equal to L. Also take OA is equal to R, therefore write down R is equal to 2L. Apply the direct formula, E is equal to K times 2AQ upon R square plus A square to the power 3 by 2 and put the value here. K will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So, you will get E is equal to 2AQ. Here A will be 2A will be L. So, why not to put here this one directly KAQ, KLQ, not AQ, KLQ upon R is equal to 2L. So, square is 4L square plus A is equal to L by 2. So, L square by 4 and this power 3 by 2 and then simplify it and you will get this will be equal to 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17 L square by 4 to the power 3 by 2. So, your answer will be K Q L into 4 to the power 3 by 2, that is 2 to the power 3, 8 upon L cube multiply 17 root 17 and cut it L to L here. So, finally, you will get the answer E is equal to KQ multiply 8, that is 8 KQ upon 17 root 17 L square. I again repeat it, E is equal to 8 KQ upon 17, E is equal to 8 KQ upon 17 root 17 L square, where K is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This will be the answer. Thank you so much. Thank you.